What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about TEDU and the stock ticker. We'll go ahead and start off by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 188, and we got our support down here 152, and we got our median sitting at about 170. We'll go ahead and zoom in, and this is a 15.30 million share float. There was no positive news on this today. You see in pre-market, it actually went down. Yesterday we did pop up a little bit, but after pre-market and aftermarket, we did go down here. And then at the start, it pushed above the moving average and VWAP here, and then really took off. So it did run from $1.13 all the way to 188 today. So what I'm going to be looking out for tomorrow is I want to see that bullish momentum return. I want to see us stay above this moving average here. I want to see that momentum bring us above 188. So what I'll do is I'll set my alert at 188 so I know when that happens. Next thing, I want to see it come back down and retest this level. That way, if it just goes up, well, we just write that off as missing the trade. But if it does come back and retest, that's when we get interested, right? And the reason we wait to see if it stabilizes, we don't just hop in right here. We want to see it stop, give us a green bullish reversal candle, and we want to see that bullish momentum kick in strong. That way we know that there's a much better chance that we're going to go back up, right? Because if you see us come back down and retest the zone, but we just slip and we fall right here, that's not a trade I'd want to hop into until we came back up, retest. You want that double confirmation always. So again, what I'm going to be doing is waiting for it to come back down, retest off the zone at 188. I'll have an order ready. I'll have my order ready right above that pullback point, so that way when that momentum does kick back in and we push above the point where we pull back initially, that momentum most of the time will bring you up to the next resistance, which in this case would be about 210. So that's the bullish move that I would look for tomorrow. What I would definitely watch out for, or if you're trying to short, look for the break below 170 here. And we will break through the moving average at that point. And then look for that retest off 170 and wait to see if we break back above. But if we do get rejected here, just like up here, I'd have my order ready, but here I'd have a short position. And then just like up here, I wait for that momentum to take us past that pullback point. And just like here, when I ride that bullish momentum, I'd ride the bearish momentum down to this support down here, 152. So, and then of course, I'd sell most of that position, wait to see if we break back below here, and just wait for that repeat play right here again. And these are if you're going short. This is what I would look for if you're going long. Okay, everybody, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And be sure to share it with your friends. It really helps me out, and it'll keep me making these videos for you guys. Have a wonderful day.